Cook almost anything with 7 easy cooking modes. Pizza, bake, toast, broil, bagel, roast, and keep warm. All in one convection toaster oven.
Introducing the Chefman Food Mover, the conveyor oven that continuously toasts, bakes, and broils food to perfection. No more burnt food or fingers. Watch it cook on the move through the window and grab it safely from the exit ramp when it's ready. Or speed up the process with the convenient eject button. Built with intelligent touch controls, 6 cooking modes, and 7 shade settings, there's an easy option for any type of meal. Move food from fresh or frozen to finished faster with infrared technology that evenly distributes heat for unbeatably consistent results. Or just set to bake and close the doors to make the softest cinnamon buns. Designed with a removable dishwasher-safe conveyor belt, cleaning the food mover is as easy as cooking with it. The Chefman Food Mover. Meals in motion.
Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven is in a class of its own. With 15 cooking functions and 1,875 watts of power, it earns every compact inch of space it occupies on the countertop. Choose a traditional cooking function or select unique ones, like Dual Cook and Speed Convection. Dual Cook combines functions for sequenced heating, and Speed Convection gets right to work, cooking foods with no preheat. Choose from the Cuisinart family of toaster ovens and bring an amazing array of features home today.